I'm sure y'all know that times are rough right now, and a lot of us girls are struggling with our grooming. I want to try to wax my own eyebrows, and I don't really know how, so we'll see. I had to go several towns over to get the supplies because only like certain stores will do curbside pickup. I went to Sally's Beauty Supply and I got these Gigi Relaxing Lavender Hard Beads. I've never used this before. I've gone to European Wax Center and they use like a hard wax similar to that. I got an empty tin can to put the stuff in, and I got these applicators, which by the way cost like $7, and I was so surprised at how expensive that was. I didn't realize until I looked at the receipt. All right, first order of business, I'm going to just wipe my skin with straight up alcohol, similar to how you would prep the skin prior to giving an injection. Right, next I'm going to take a eyebrow pencil. It's going to look ridiculous, but this is how I'm going to guide where I'm going to apply the wax, because I'm scared I'm gonna take off a chunk because I don't really know how to shape my eyebrows. I've been epilating some of I have like this facial epilator where I've been removing some of the hairs. That's why it doesn't look as bad. But I haven't gone close to the overall shape of the eyebrows because I'm just afraid of messing that up. So I know this looks ridiculous, but bear with me here. This is gonna be my technique to make sure that I don't go inside my guide, because one of my fears is to get thin hoochie brows, and it's not the 90s anymore. My method right now is to actually use a double boiler because they have these wax warmers, but I don't want to buy one, so I'm gonna be creative, or as you can say, cheap about it, and use a double boiler. So you put the wax in, and then hopefully this works. So it's totally working. And look at that, it's so pretty. It's like a metallic purple. All right, we're gonna see if this is gonna work. I think I need to work quickly because it is off the heat now. Oh, is this too hot? Oh gosh, it's goopy. Oh no, did I just put it on my big eye? Oh no, 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 no. I think this was a mistake. Too close. Gosh, how do they do this? Yeah, no, I don't know what I'm doing. Too scared to get close. It's not very accurate. Fuck. Okay, I think it said. Did it take anything out? It took some stuff out. Okay. What the hell? Yeah, that didn't pull out anything. I think it's already hardening the wax. See, the thing is, I don't remember the last time I got my eyebrows waxed, so I have no idea how it's done. No, don't. That glob, that glob. God, this is so bad. I'm barely shaping my eyebrows right now. I'm too chicken. I put it on the double boiler again. Now I need to work fast. Oh, goop again. There's no way I'm gonna be able to shape my brows accurately if I'm afraid to go close like this. I probably should have watched YouTube videos before. attempting this. And by the way, I just noticed I've been double dipping this entire time. Gross. Oh, this one looks pretty good. Oh, I think I'm getting it. So you start high, don't start close to where you want to be, but then spread it to, what the hell did I just, what did I just do there? No. Okay, that might be taking a chunk of my eyebrow out. Stupid thing keeps slipping. Are you slipping? Great. Oh, this stupid thing. Thanks for nothing. Okay, this glob of wax is way too big. I'm not gonna accomplish anything. I think I'm just better off tweezing. I'm not getting close enough to my guide. This is so much harder than I thought it would be. Oh man, it's getting on my hair. Or it's hardening right now. That's such a pain. But I didn't want to spend money on a warmer if I don't even know if I'm gonna keep doing this. Come on. Oh shit, it's getting on my eyelashes. Okay, so the wax is getting hard again. I feel like, okay, the verdict is if I actually had a wax warmer and didn't do this double boiler thing where it just keeps hardening on me over and over again, because once it's hard, it's like, it's not really usable. So I think I've done about just as much as I can. And then I'm just gonna try plucking the rest. All right, moment of truth. Did some plucking. This is probably as good as it's gonna get. Let's see the damage. Not too bad. I mean, it's definitely not what I would be getting if I got my eyebrows threaded or anything done by a professional, but these are rough times, and I guess this is gonna be as good as it's gonna get. So I did a little bit more finessing with the brows. I cut some of the brow hairs like they do at the threading shops. I forgot to say that the last step for me would be to wipe again with alcohol. Oh, that burns. And hydrocortisone 1% cream. I find that doing this helps with the bumps that some of us get when we get threaded or waxed. Then a first aid antibiotic ointment. This one is bacitracin. Clean wash hands, of course. And you want to put on the cream before the ointment. Voila.